Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to stop apps from using your battery in the background on your Windows PC. This will improve the lifespan of your Windows PC battery and improve and boost your operational and productivity. Quite a lot number of people that are using Windows PC complain about battery are not aware of this. Some of apps that you are not using on your Windows PC are consuming your battery in the background. So what you need to do is to stop them right now in order to boost the performance and at the same time improve the health of your PC battery. Let me show you what you need to do. Very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your Windows startup menu right here. Right click on it. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to settings. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and let me show you navigate to system right here. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you have battery. So here you go. Then you have all apps right here that are using your battery or your Windows PC. Everything depends on how you use those apps. But there are some apps you are not using, and at the same time, you are still using your battery in the background of your PC. Like for instance, I use Chrome mostly recently, so you can click on it, and then this is using my battery in the background about 6%, and there's no way we can decide on that. Now let's go ahead and check on some of the apps we are not frequently used. So like this particular one right here, I can click on it and I can choose when this app can run in the background. I can decide never, I can switch to never, and then we can go on and check as many as possible app right here. This one also let me know can decide to switch to never, which simply means that these apps here, whether I use it or I did not use it, they will not be able to have access to my PC battery in the background. It's that simple. You can review as many as possible apps right here in order to save the lifespan of your battery and boost the PC performance. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.